या बर्ड्स या कोई भी जो एनिमल्स होते हैं, ओके, हाउ दे नो दैट इट इज द मेटिंग सीजन और लाइक दैट? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस circadian rhythm. There are different secretions, all you know, it is also having different diurnal variations. Because of this mechanism, actually, this circadian rhythm and the actually visual pathway from the optic chiasma, some fibers goes, है ना, वो चले जाते हैं and it connects to the pineal gland as well, isn't it? So in this way it is activating the sleep wake cycle, it is controlling the sleep wake cycle. So it is receiving input from the reticular activating system and also from the thalamus, okay, the thalamus pain pathways udhar se nikalte hain, then also different higher functions and different the connections from the limbic system, okay, emotions, behavior and memory, and also the vision. You can see it is receiving all the afferents here, and then it is acting through the pituitary gland as well. There are other methods also it acts, but one of the methods is it is acting through the pituitary gland and controlling different functions of your body, okay, like growth, okay, anterior pituitary se mainly growth hormone nikalte, you know, different hormones, all of you know, immunity, the visceral functions, the appetite, the gonadal functions, and mainly from the posterior pituitary, the thirst, okay, and water balance, these are, and also breastfeeding, parturition, milk letdown, oxytocin hormone और ADH का जो functions होते हैं, so it is being controlled. Now coming on to the, you must know some of the hypothalamic nuclei, because as I have told you, there are nucleus, the collection of cell bodies which are actually controlling the different secretions from the pituitary, and anterior pituitary से जो निकलते हैं, है ना, so it is getting controlled from the hypothalamus through the releasing or inhibiting hormone. वहां से क्या निकलते हैं? Releasing or inhibiting hormone, है ना, and through the hypothalamo-hypophyseal tract, portal circulation actually. It is coming to the anterior pituitary, and from there the hormone is actually liberated. So you can see, start with the this hypothalamus actually, as I have told you, it is a gray matter sheet, and in between there is third ventricle, इसमें third ventricle होते हैं, दोनों साइड में इस तरह से शीट होते हैं, जो मीडियली होता है that is medial hypothalamus, and laterally it is lateral hypothalamus. So lateral hypothalamus is what it is concerned with. Lateral hypothalamus is mainly concerned with your hunger or भूख रहता है. If it is this hypothalamus is stimulated, you will feel a lot of appetite, you will feel hungry, okay, and also you will feel anger, seat of anger. This is also called seat of anger or punishment center, we get, okay, and also it is a center of thirst, okay. So coming on to the medial hypothalamus, medial जो hypothalamus होता है उसको different areas में बांट दिए, different areas like pre-optic area, okay, then supra-optic area, then tuberal area, okay, and then posterior area. So this has been divided. So pre-optic area, starting with the pre-optic area, pre-optic area में भी दो area, एक lateral pre-optic and medial pre-optic. Lateral pre-optic area is mainly concerned with sleep. It actually promotes your sleep, and with aging actually this area degenerates, starts generating, some उसमें degeneration start होता है. That's why sleep patterns get hampered. You know, elderly में क्या होता है, sleep pattern थोड़ा hampered हो जाता है, early awake हो जाते हैं या they do not get the proper sleep. Okay, so this is lateral preoptic area. Then medial preoptic area, it is mainly concerned with actually release of gonadotrophin releasing hormone GnRH जो निकलता है, which is controlling the LH and FSH secretion. Gonadotropin hormones होते हैं ना, LH and FSH, which is promoting your that is ovaries and spermatogenesis, both it is promoting. So this medial preoptic area is concerned with GnRH secretion and sexual development. ठीक है? Then coming on to the preoptic area के बाद supraoptic area इसके बगल में. Supraoptic area is having different nuclei. इस एरिया में अलग अलग न्यूक्लियस हैं. Okay, so there are main 4 type of nuclei here. That is supraoptic area है तो supraoptic nucleus होगा. Supraoptic nucleus. As I have told you earlier, supraoptic nucleus is the main site of formation of ADH. That is vasopressin hormone. है ना? So ADH whenever जब आप thirsty feel करते हो, है ना, जब पानी ज्यादा पी लेते हो तो क्या होता है? What happens? You start micturating more. क्यों ऐसा क्यों होता है? Because there is less ADH secretion. ADH secretion थोड़ा कम हो जाती है. So that's why क्या होता है? Absorption water कम हो जाती है. And you start urinating more. Likewise, when you are not drinking water for a prolonged period of time, पानी आपको नहीं मिला काफी देर, you start secreting concentrated urine. Why is it so? Because hypothalamus में क्या होता है, उसके ऊपर में एक ऑस्मोरिसेप्टर्स होते हैं, वो उसको डिटेक्ट करते हैं ऑस्मोलैलिटी को. Okay, and it actually stimulates the supraoptic nucleus to release more ADH. So you start conserving water more and you start micturating less. ठीक है? So supraoptic nucleus, it is 90% of the ADH is mainly secreted from supraoptic nuclei, and some amount also oxytocin is may be released from here, small amount. So supraoptic area is having supraoptic nucleus, then suprachiasmatic nucleus. Suprachiasmatic nucleus. This nucleus is concerned with, किससे होता है? This is suprachiasmatic nucleus mainly concerned with circadian rhythm. यही न्यूक्लियस होता है, अभी आपको बताया स्लीप वेक साइकिल के लिए जो इंपॉर्टेंट है. This is the nucleus which is important. Suprachiasmatic nucleus, that is internal biological clock. All of you are having the internal biological clock. We know what is the time, what is the time duration. Okay, so because of this suprachiasmatic nucleus, it is mainly concerned with circadian rhythm. Before that, there are other nuclei like paraventricular nuclei. Paraventricular nucleus, this is also the part of supraoptic area. Supraoptic area में supraoptic nucleus हो गया. Then I have told you suprachiasmatic nucleus. Then other nucleus is paraventricular nuclei. Paraventricular nuclei में क्या होता है? Mainly oxytocin secretion synthesis होते हैं. Mainly here the oxytocin secretion synthesis is occurring here. So you know, all of you know, the oxytocin is mainly the milk let down hormone कहते हैं, and also it helps in parturition, है ना? During labor, this oxytocin hormone helps. So this is released from which nucleus? Paraventricular nuclei. So coming on to the suprachiasmatic nucleus, that is circadian rhythm, already discussed. Then another nucleus is the anterior hypothalamic nuclei. Anterior hypothalamic nuclei. ये क्या होता है? It is concerned mainly with temperature regulation. Anterior and posterior hypothalamic nuclei दोनों क्या होते हैं? Temperature regulation के लिए important है. So especially anterior hypothalamic nuclei, it is called anti-rise center. Suppose you are there in, अगर आप नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर बाहर में जाते हो, देयर इज हाई टेम्परेचर आउटसाइड, है ना, हाई टेम्परेचर पे जाते हो, सो व्हाट हैपेंस? यू स्टार्ट स्वेटिंग स्टार्ट हो जाता है ना, बिकॉज यू वांट टू मेंटेन योर बॉडी टेम्परेचर. बॉडी टेम्परेचर, तो ये एंटीरियर हाइपोथैलेमस का फंक्शन, एंटीरियर हाइपोथैलेमिक न्यूक्लियस. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एंटी राइज सेंटर. एंड ऑल्सो इट इज कंसर्न्ड विथ पैरासिम्पैथेटिक आउटफ्लो सिस्टम, है ना, parasympathetic outflow system. Whenever the center is stimulated, the parasympathetic functions will be activated. Like what will happen? You start the peristalsis will be more. Okay, you start micturating, defecating, and all the secretion will be increased, isn't it? There will be pupillary constriction. So all the parasympathetic functions will be activated. So this is the function of anterior hypothalamic. Go outside. Anterior hypothalamic nuclei. So supraoptic area में 4 न्यूक्लियस बताया आप, है ना? उनका supraoptic nuclei, then suprachiasmatic, then paraventricular and anterior hypothalamic nuclei. So you should know these functions. Then coming on to the, उसके बाद आता है tuberal area या medial area भी कहते हैं. Okay, so this is ventromedial nucleus and dorsomedial nucleus. Ventromedial and dorsomedial nucleus. Ventromedial nucleus is mainly concerned with satiety, है ना? You are full with your body. आपने क्या खाना खा लिया अच्छा से, you are satisfied. So that is called satiety center. So lateral hypothalamus क्या है? वो hunger के लिए है और ये satiety center. Okay, that is ventromedial nucleus. So this is also called happiness center also. वो anger center था, ये happiness center. And that was punishment center. This is reward center. Okay. So if you are you have taken meal, good food, and you are satisfied, then what will happen? This will inhibit this lateral hypothalamus. Lateral hypothalamus को inhibit करते हैं. You do not want to eat more. Okay. Then there is dorsomedial nucleus. It is also concerned with anger. Okay. The dorsomedial nucleus along with lateral hypothalamus, they work together to control the anger. Okay. So this was about that is the tuberal area, that is the medial area. Then the posterior area. Okay. And this area, that is the mammillary area we कहते हैं इसको, tuberomammillary area. And you know this area is having this nucleus, that is the arcuate nucleus. This is a very important nucleus. Arcuate area, it is the mammillary side में है ये, पीछे की तरफ. Okay. So arcuate nucleus, it is controlling majority of your endocrinal secretions, mainly from the anterior pituitary से जो भी hormones निकल रहे, उसके ज्यादातर nucleus यहीं पे मिलते हैं, है ना? So anterior pituitary से releasing hormone निकलता है ना, hypothalamus से you get the releasing hormone, and that releasing hormone is gets there in the hypophyseal portal system, और वहां से जाकर anterior pituitary में जाते हैं, and what is the, वहां से फिर रिलीज कराता है pituitary hormone, anterior pituitary hormone. So majority of your endocrinal secretions, especially the anterior pituitary secretions, they are controlled there in the hypothalamus by this nucleus, arcuate nucleus. Okay. Then the mammillary nucleus, this is actually the feeding reflexes. How you are feeding, you are lipping, you are biting, like that. These reflexes are maintained there by this nucleus, that is the mammillary nucleus. So these are all the nucleus of the hypothalamus. So you should know about this nucleus, I think. And the last nucleus is posterior hypothalamic nuclei, है ना? जो mammillary areas में है, एक mammillary nucleus हो गया, arcuate nucleus, then other nucleus is posterior hypothalamic nucleus. वो एंटी राइज सेंटर था, ये एंटी फॉल सेंटर है. आपका टेम्परेचर अगर लो टेम्परेचर में चले जाते हो, स्टिल यू मेंटेन योर टेम्परेचर. कैसे करते हो? यू स्टार्ट वैसोकॉन्स्ट्रिक्शन स्टार्ट होता है, यू स्टार्ट शिवरिंग. सो इट इज एक्ट्स एज ए थर्मोस्टैट, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड थर्मोस्टैट. एंड ऑल्सो इट इज द सीट ऑफ सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. है ना? सिंपैथेटिक एक्टिविटी बढ़ जाएगी, सो द टेम्परेचर विल इंक्रीज. Okay, the normalize. So ये fall temperature fall से ये बचाता है. So these are all the nucleus. We have discussed this preoptic nucleus, preoptic area, preoptic nucleus, anterior और supraoptic area. इसमें कौन-कौन से nucleus है? The supraoptic nucleus, suprachiasmatic, paraventricular nucleus, then anterior hypothalamic nucleus. then middle or tuberal area, that is the ventromedial nucleus, then dorsomedial nucleus. Ventromedial क्या था? satiety center था, है ना? Then arcuate nucleus, then posterior, that is the mammillary area. Arcuate nucleus is there in the middle area, okay, and posterior mammillary area is having the mammillary body and posterior hypothalamic nucleus. So these are all the nuclei of the hypothalamus. Coming on to the hypothalamic hormones, these are secreted from hypothalamic nuclei. As I have discussed, hypothalamic nucleus से निकलते हैं, and it can be classified into anterior pituitary regulating hormone, then posterior pituitary hormones, and there are different other hormones as well which are getting controlled from the hypothalamus. So anterior pituitary hormones, anterior pituitary regulating hormones, they regulate. इसमें क्या होता है? anterior pituitary से जो हार्मोन निकल रहे हैं वो रेगुलेट कहाँ से हो रहे हैं? posterior pituitary से, but they are not synthesized there. anterior pituitary के जो भी हार्मोन है वो anterior pituitary में ही बन रहे हैं, but it is getting controlled from the hypothalamus through the releasing hormone or inhibiting hormone. जैसे आपको क्या निकालना है? गोनाडोट्रोफिन हार्मोन्स निकलना है या LH-FSH निकलना है, तो वहां से क्या निकलेगा? गोनाडोट्रोफिन रिलीजिंग हार्मोन. वो रिलीजिंग हार्मोन आएगा तब ये इसको रिलीज होगा. So it is controlling, regulating, it may stimulate or inhibit the release. So these are the different hypothalamic hormones. Growth hormone releasing hormone and growth hormone inhibiting hormone भी होते हैं. That is called somatostatin, isn't it? And thyrotrophin releasing hormone hypothalamus से आ रहा है, and that is causing the release of thyroid stimulating hormone from the anterior pituitary. Then likewise corticotrophin releasing hormone, then that is causing the release of ACTH, adrenocorticotrophic releasing hormone. Then GnRH, gonadotrophin releasing hormone, causing the release of gonadotrophins, LH or FSH. उसी तरह prolactin releasing factor, है ना, और prolactin inhibiting factor. प्रोलैक्टिन इनहिबिटिंग फैक्टर का ही दूसरा नाम डोपामिन है ना. सम बुक्स में आपको रिलीजिंग फैक्टर नहीं दिया होगा. सम बुक्स आर राइटिंग प्रोलैक्टिन इनहिबिटरी फैक्टर ओनली रिलीज फ्रॉम देयर, फ्रॉम द हाइपोथैलेमस. बट नाउअडेज इट हैज बीन एस्टैब्लिश्ड दैट प्रोलैक्टिन रिलीजिंग हार्मोन, प्रोलैक्टिन रिलीजिंग फैक्टर इज आल्सो रिलीज फ्रॉम द हाइपोथैलेमस, एंड दैट इज कॉजिंग द रेगुलेटिंग द सिक्रीशन ऑफ प्रोलैक्टिन. Prolactin क्या होता है? Milk synthesizing hormone, isn't it? So there are releasing hormones, thyroid, thyrotrophin releasing hormone. These are coming from the paraventricular nucleus, है ना? Paraventricular as well as arcuate nucleus. Arcuate nucleus आपको याद रखना है, जितने भी रिलीजिंग हार्मोन आ रहे हैं हाइपोथैलेमस से, या तो पैरावेंट्रिकुलर से आ रहा है या arcuate nucleus से आते हैं, most of those. So it is thyrotropin releasing hormone, source is the paraventricular nucleus, and function obviously क्या है? It is stimulating the secretion of TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, or thyrotropin from the thyrotropes. तो anterior pituitary में क्या है? Different cells हैं, somatotrophs, gonadotrophs, thyrotropes. Okay, so उस सेल को एक्टिवेट करता है और रिलीज कराता है हार्मोन anterior pituitary. So and also this hormone, thyrotropin releasing hormone, it stimulates the secretion of the genes for alpha and beta subunit of TSH. There are genes for TSH in the thyrotroph that is stimulating the expression of these genes. And also it has been seen that this TRH, thyrotropin releasing hormone, it also promotes the secretion of prolactin and growth hormone. Okay. Then corticotrophin releasing hormone, ये कहाँ से निकल रहे? Arcuate nucleus and paraventricular nucleus. Mainly यही दो nucleus है, mainly arcuate nucleus से ज़्यादा आते हैं. Most of the anterior pituitary releasing or inhibiting hormone. And it stimulates the secretion of ACTH, and it also stimulates the expression of POMC gene. POMC क्या है? Pro-opiomelanocortin gene. Actually it is the precursor of ACTH. POMC क्या है? It is the precursor of ACTH. POMC जीन बाद में जाकर ACTH बनता है, and it fragments also to form the beta lipotrophin also and MSH also. ये आगे जाके बनते हैं. तो precursor is the POMC, pre-opiomelanocortin. तो इसके जीन को स्टिमुलेट करता है कॉर्टिकोट्रॉप्स पे, and it also promotes the secretion of beta lipotrophin and beta endorphin also. Beta endorphin, you know, it is the happiness hormone, you know, it is a satisfaction. Beta it alleviates the pain actually, है ना. अगर आप दर्द होता है, अगर आप सहलाते हो, मसाज करते हो, तो क्या होता है? यू रिलीव योर पेन फॉर कुछ ड्यूरेशन के लिए आपको क्या होता है? पेन महसूस नहीं होता. ओके, सो एंटी स्ट्रेस हार्मोन भी कहते हैं. सो इट इज कॉल्ड इंडोजिनस पेन एलिवेटिंग सिस्टम, है ना. सो इट ऑल्सो प्रोमोट्स द सिक्रीशन ऑफ बीटा लाइपोट्रोफिन एंड बीटा एंडोर्फिन. देन GnRH, एक तो प्रीऑप्टिक न्यूक्लियस से निकल रहे थे, मीडियल प्रीऑप्टिक न्यूक्लियस, देन आर्कुएट एंड पैरावेंट्रिकुलर न्यूक्लियस एज वेल. And what it does, it will stimulate the secretion of gonadotrophins, that is LHA and FSH, and it also stimulates the secretion of growth hormone. Then growth hormone releasing hormone. Growth hormone releasing hormone, it is mainly source is mainly the arcuate nucleus, है ना. arcuate nucleus जो है वहां से आता है growth hormone releasing hormone. It stimulates the secretion of growth hormone from the somatotrophs. Somatotrophs होते हैं एंटी पिट्यूटरी में, उसको स्टिमुलेट करता है through the gene activation of this growth hormone gene on the somatotroph. Then there are growth hormone inhibitory hormone, which is also called somatostatin. It is also released from this arcuate nucleus, and it is a peptide. All these hormones are actually peptides, whether it is anterior pituitary hormone or posterior pituitary hormone. These are all peptides having 14 amino acids, and obviously it will inhibit the secretion of growth hormone as well as prolactin and TSH. Then prolactin inhibitory hormone, it is also called dopamine actually, and source is the arcuate nucleus, and inhibitory hormone also, it will inhibit the secretion of prolactin and also TSH and growth hormone. Then posterior pituitary, we have discussed that mainly the two hormones are secreted. They are basically synthesized there in the hypothalamus. Basically two nucleus are there, that is the supraoptic and paraventricular nuclei. They are synthesizing these hormones, and through the exoplasmic transport through the hypophyseal tract. This is not portal system, this is tract, neural system, neural connection. This is coming to the that is the terminal part of the neuron, that is called the Hering's body भी कहते हो आप. Okay, so these are actually synthesized in the supraoptic and paraventricular nucleus. Supraoptic mainly synthesizes the ADH, and paraventricular is mainly synthesizing the oxytocin, and they are getting stored in the posterior pituitary, okay, terminal part of the nucleus. And those neurons are large nucleus, जो आपको supraoptic nucleus है, supraoptic और paraventricular nucleus है, उनमें जो neurons जो है वहां पे, those neurons are called magnocellular neurons. They are large neurons, okay. And there are other hormones which are also synthesized there in the hypothalamus. They are mainly concerned with your feeding habits and weight maintenance, concerned with your weight. Neuropeptide Y, it actually आपको food intake को बढ़ाता है, okay, and also orexins, hunger को आपको बढ़ाता है, ghrelin, then melanin concentrating hormone, then there are cocaine, amphetamine regulated transcript. These actually inhibits. ये क्या करता है? ये inhibit करता है आपको food intake को. These hormones inhibit the food intake. Rest they are actually stimulating the food intake. increasing the food intake. Okay. Then summing up the functions of the hypothalamus, the autonomic functions we have discussed. It is concerned with sympathetic and parasympathetic balance. Then sleep-wake cycle, that is diurnal variation circadian rhythm से ये important है इसके लिए. Hypothalamus is controlling. Then there are reward and punishment center we have discussed. Then there are endocrinal functions. Then the sexual behavior and the reproduction, especially in the preoptic nuclei, है ना? And food intake, that is the lateral hypothalamus as well as ventromedial. Okay. The emotional and it is concerned with limbic system, circadian rhythm control, then temperature regulation. We have all discussed this. So you should know the connections between the hypothalamus and pituitary. All of you know the anterior pituitary is, they are connected to the hypothalamus through the hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. Hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. Everyone should know. And endocrine function, it is controlling the metabolism, you know, through the thyroid hormones and the adrenal gland hormone, the gonadal functions. Posterior pituitary we have discussed, the water balance and the uterine contraction and the parturition. The connections, the anterior and posterior pituitary connected, you know, the anterior pituitary is connected with these portal vessels, hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal vessels, and posterior pituitary is connected with the hypothalamus via this neural tract, hypothalamo-hypophyseal, hypophyseal means pituitary, okay, neural tract, and this is the connection you can see. These are the different nuclei here which are there in the hypothalamus, and you can see this is the posterior pituitary. There are two nuclei which are supraoptic and paraventricular. These are directly connected through a long neuron, that is a magnocellular neuron, to the posterior pituitary, and they are synthesized. Posterior pituitary के hormone यहाँ बनते नहीं हैं, बनते हैं यहाँ पे, they are getting synthesized here. Okay, and then ये एक्सोप्लाज्मिक ट्रांसपोर्ट के थ्रू यहाँ पे आके स्टोर होते इन द हेरिंग बॉडीज, एंड व्हेनेवर द नीड अराइजेस व्हाट हैपेंस, ये आपको एक्टिवेट होते हैं और इसके रिलीज को ये आपको जो कैपिलरी प्लेक्सस है यहाँ पे, देयर इज सिंगल कैपिलरी प्लेक्सस है इन द पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी, है ना, दैट इज द इंफीरियर हाइपोफिशियल आर्टरी इज देयर, इट इज फॉर्मिंग द कैपिलरी नेटवर्क, सो ऑल दोस सिक्रीशंस विल गो इनटू द ब्लड सर्कुलेशन and to the site of action actually, isn't it? And the anterior pituitary, can see it is not connected to the anterior pituitary. Hypothalamus is not directly connected to the anterior pituitary through the neural network. Only a short neuron is there and it is giving its secretion, whether it is releasing hormone or inhibiting hormone. Hypothalamus क्या है, यहाँ पे releasing hormone ये निकालेगा या inhibiting hormone. वो क्या करेगा, यहाँ पे जो प्राइमरी प्लेक्सस है, it forms two plexus here, two capillary network, one at the median eminence area, infundibulum जो स्टॉक का अपर पार्ट है वहां पे बनाता है एक नेटवर्क, and another network in the posterior pituitary, anterior pituitary sorry, so anterior pituitary में एक नेटवर्क है, इसका इधर नेटवर्क, so it is a portal circulation, है ना, hypothalamo hypophyseal portal system. So whether it is releasing hormone, inhibiting hormone, it will put its secretion there in this primary plexus. Okay, and then through this plexus, here actually blood circulation है, blood vessels है, इसके through यहाँ आएगा, and another again it actually divides into another capillary network, and there are different cells here. Anterior pituitary cells are there. There are different cells. Okay, so ये secretion releasing hormone आ रहा है या inhibiting hormone है, ये इस पे act कर, इसके लिए receptors होते हैं, and then it is releasing the concerned hormone. It acts on the specific cells and it will release those hormones. Okay, So you can see here, anterior pituitary. Hypothalamus releases certain factors which are called hypothalamic hypophysiotropic hormones. या रिलीजिंग या इनहिबिटिंग हार्मोन को एक वर्ड दिया है, हाइपोथैलेमो हाइपोफिजियोट्रोपिक हार्मोन. आप खड़े हो जाओ, स्टैंड अप. यस, खड़े हो जाइए, जो बात कर रहे थे खड़े हो जाइए. आप रोल नंबर क्या है तुम्हारा? स्टैंड अप एंड कम हियर. खड़े हो जाओ. क्या रोल नंबर है? हाँ, इधर आ जाओ. कम हियर. स्टूपिड गर्ल. So hypothalamo-hypophysiotropic hormones, it controls the release of the anterior pituitary hormones. So it is having a vascular connection, and this is the hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. This portal system is having the primary plexus there in the stalk area, upper part of the stalk, and another set of capillaries is there in the anterior pituitary, where the releasing factors are released. So this is another picture actually. Then the posterior pituitary, vasopressin, oxytocin, we have discussed this. These are the magnocellular cells, magnocellular neurons कहते हैं. So these are the another, actually diagrammatic, we have already understand this thing. This is the hypothalamus. Can you understand? The hypothalamus is releasing the releasing hormone, corticotropin releasing hormone. Then the प्री हार्मोन्स है ना, ये ACTH के पहले क्या होता है? प्री प्रो हार्मोन्स आर देयर. प्री ऑपियो मिलानोकार्टिन हार्मोन्स, इट में फॉर्म ACTH and beta lipotropin also. It may form endorphin as well as melanocyte stimulating hormone as well. Then TRH forming releasing the TSH, then LH of FSH, then growth hormone and prolactin. We have all discussed this. ठीक है. ठीक है.